There comes another one. Get out, stand up, darling.
They can't get past that one.
Well, he's there pumping, so. Fuck, look at the grass, eh? Look how singed that grass is. Well, I tell you, you wouldn't want to be standing anywhere near there, eh? The heat by that would be just incredible. Hot air, yeah. See who else is here. Half of Wautuki's arrived. Comes another fire engine. How many is that?
4.
Cop cars blocking that. Yeah, that's the one. Wow, look at that thing go, look at it. That's fair going, eh? So they've separated that lot by the looks of things. They're keeping the other buildings and they're going to let this one just go down. They're just going to let it go.
Imagine the heat being caught and something like that. I know what people don't survive.
So they've isolated the main library, I think, with water, and they're just going to let this lot go. Which is quite smart when you think about it, eh?
Yeah. Start the hoses from here now.
We'll go for a walk, go that way.
Down where?
Down that way. Well, look what they've done. They've managed to save the library, which is good. the